Hi guys, welcome back to our classes. Today is January 25th, 2021 and I'm your teacher Lenin, and let's start with the first class of this week. So, today we're going to review a past topic that we saw the last year. Vamos a revisar algo que vimos el año pasado, are the comparatives and superlatives, but we're going to focus on the superlatives. I don't know if you remember, no sé si se acuerdan, que los superlativos are used to say that something is the most, es lo más rápido, es el más inteligente, es el más de todas las opciones que hay. For example, in the picture we saw that the bicycle is fast, but the car is faster. But the fastest vehicle is the plane. El vehículo más rápido es el avión. So I don't know if you remember, but superlatives, as I said, is the most, but we added to the adjective like est. Lo ponemos en el adjetivo o lo damos a indicar el adjetivo con un st. Al adjetivo se le pega el est, o en algunos casos the most. We're going to see some examples. Veamos unos ejemplos. We have 5 examples here. For example, in old, en viejo, el más viejo sería the oldest. And young, joven, will be youngest. Watch how the adjective it's add. We only add est, and that will be the superlative. Eso sería el superlativo. In long, the longest. Intelligent, most intelligent. Aquí, como el adjetivo es muy largo, tenemos que poner most. The same thing happens with beautiful. We add most beautiful. Okay? Something very easy. You already know this. Now, for the activity, we are going to compare, or we're going to compare the Laura, Alan, Mike, and Sophie. We have their age, their weight, and their height. Tenemos su edad, su peso y su altura, and we have some pictures there. So let's see. You are going to answer these questions. Who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? Who is the heaviest? Who is the lightest? Who is the tallest? Who is the shortest? Who has the biggest eyes? Who has the shortest hair? Who has the smallest eyes? Who has the longest hair? So, lo que van a hacer es comparar a las personas que vimos en las fotos. For example, the first one, el primero. Who is the oldest? What does oldest mean? El más viejo. ¿Quién es el más viejo? We have Laura with 12 years, Alan with 7 years, Mike with 10 years, and Sophie with 9 years. So the oldest will be Laura. So we put here in your paper, you put Laura. And that will be all. You will answer all the questions and that's the work for today. Contestan todas las preguntas y eso sería el trabajo de hoy. Don't forget to send me a picture of your work so I can see your progress, para que vea su progreso. And thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow in the class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.